In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set stop loss in Ctrader. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look, what to enter, and how to confirm everything with confidence. Start by opening Ctrader on your desktop or web browser and make sure you're logged in to the account you want to trade with. Once you're in, pick the market you want to trade. You can do this from the symbols list, then load its chart so you can see price action clearly and confirm the instrument is correct. Next, open a chart or the TradeWatch panel. On the chart, you'll get a visual view of price levels and can place orders from the panel on the right or bottom, depending on your layout. In TradeWatch, you'll see handy controls for placing orders and managing positions. Either area works. Choose the one you're comfortable with. Now, click Buy or Sell to open the order window. This prepares a new order for the selected symbol. You're not committed yet. You're just bringing up the form so you can set your protective levels before sending the order. Double check the symbol and the order type so you know you're trading the right market the right way. In the order window, find the stop loss field. It's typically labeled stop loss and may allow entry as a price level or as a distance in pips. If you see options to switch between price and pips, use whichever is more intuitive for you. Price is great if you already have a level in mind. Pip distance works well if you're using a fixed risk buffer. Enter the price level where you want to limit losses. For a buy order, the stop loss generally goes below your entry price. For a sell order, it sits above. Choose a level that makes sense based on structure, such as below a recent swing low or above a swing high. Make sure the distance fits your risk plan so that if the stop is hit, the loss is acceptable for your account size. Many traders sanity check by confirming the pip distance and the estimated loss shown in the order window. Optionally, set take profit as well. This is your target level, where the trade will close in profit automatically. Align it with your strategy. Some prefer a one-to-one risk to reward, others aim for higher multiples. Setting both stop loss and take profit creates a balanced plan before the trade goes live. Finally, review the details and confirm the order. After placing it, you should see your stop loss and take profit lines on the chart. You can usually click and drag those lines if you need fine adjustments. Trade carefully, and remember that disciplined risk management starts with a well-placed stop.